First at 4, a major milestone in the fight against the coronavirus. The biggest mass vaccination effort in the nation's history began with frontline healthcare workers receiving Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine. 145 distribution centers are getting shipments today. There will be another 425 deliveries Tuesday and 66 on Wednesday. Almost 3 million people will get the vaccine this week in all 50 states.
We have enough vaccines already purchased to ensure we can meet our goal of vaccinating every American who wants it by the end of the second quarter of 2021.
The vaccine comes as the U.S. has now surpassed 300,000 deaths caused by the coronavirus. As distribution of the coronavirus vaccine begins across America, UT Health San Antonio is preparing its shipment of doses for later this week. It's only one of 4 sites across Texas to receive first week's supply of the long-awaited vaccine. Let's go to the medical center now, and that's where we find Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs. Zach, how many doses are we talking about here?
Well, it's certainly a monumental day for San Antonio's healthcare community. 6,000 doses of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine in cold storage right now, but come Wednesday, they'll be rolled out to healthcare workers who've been tirelessly working on the front lines for the past several months. Now, take a look at these pictures here. These are images of the shipment arriving earlier this morning. UPS unloading boxes of the vaccines, then being handled by UT Health San Antonio crews. The sub-zero temperatures ensure the vaccine stays effective and protected. Now, I caught up with Dr. Robert Leverance. He's Chief Medical Officer for UT Health San Antonio. He tells me there is plenty of preparation underway on how to administer the vaccine. Now, safety, of course, is of utmost importance, especially when working with staff who might have autoimmune disorders and may be pregnant. Doctors, nurses, and others who work on the front lines will be the first to receive the immunizations here at UT Health San Antonio. Now, it'll take several months before the vaccine is available to the general public, but Leverance is hoping the vaccine, which has proven to be 95% effective in clinical trials, will lead to getting this country back on its feet.
We've been waiting for this day for months and preparing this entire time, including all throughout this weekend. And so we're very excited indeed. Our providers are ready to line up and roll up their sleeves and get this vaccine and hopefully put an end to this pandemic.
And coming up at 6 o'clock, we'll learn more about the distribution process, the timeline, and what it means potentially for the general public. Reporting live at the Medical Center, Zach Briggs, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.